So what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the gaming handheld. This is from Anbernic RG35XX, which is a really amazing model from Anbernic. And to be honest, I kind of love and feel through the retroish. I know a lot of you guys, some of you are played Game Boy, you have played Nintendo, you have played Sega. You know those kind of games. It's not familiar for you guys. You know them. So today we're going to check out something which is so amazing and a great and amazing product from Anbernic. So enough of me talking, let's get started. That's what's up, guys. As you can see, this is an Anbernic RG35XX, and we're going to just check it out, this bad boy, and it's going to be really amazing. So guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, really great packed, and we're going to just unbox it and see what's packed inside. Whoa, there we go. That's how our bad boy it is. And yeah, that's really cool. What's in here, man? The packing is looking good. Before we unbox that, what's inside this stuff and what's in here? I guess this is a charging, if I'm not mistaken. And let's see what's goody. Whoa, USB Type-C, which is really amazing. Getting a screen protector, I think, because when you see this bad boy, you just know it's a screen protector. And there we go, it's a glass screen protector. And this one, it's a paperwork, which is an instruction paper to just read it and understand how much you can use throughout your console, and it's really amazing. So yeah, so that's the user interface, which is quite not bad. Game rooms, you can see there's a PS1 game. Let me just get it closer so as you guys can see. So there's a vertical arcade, CPS game, Neo Geo game, FBA Shark mode, Mame, is it called Mame? Yes, Mame, GBA game, NES game, SNES, SMS game, okay, MD game, that's a new one. I've never played that game. There's a Game Boy Color, there's a GB game, which is Game Boy Nintendo, there's a PCE game. Man, it's a lot of games in here, but it's just these ones here. So let's go to this game. So there's a Donkey Kong Land. There's a bunch of pack games. Whenever you're buying this, you just select on there, which is great. Now let's see how much it's gonna be playing on the Donkey Kong Land. Man, this reminds me of my Game Boy Color, man, from back in the days. Wow, the speaker's good. You can decrease and increase. Let's increase the sound. Wow, it even shows the black and white. Wow, yeah, it was just the same before we had color. Man, this is nostalgia, man. I never thought that there's a Donkey Kong black and white for Nintendo. Like it's really insane, man. This is great, man. This is really something different, man. Wow, what if you press these buttons? Okay, I can go back to menu and save my game if I want to as one here. And when done, just press OK, and you can exit the game and get back to the menu list. Another kind of stuff, when you press the menu button, it will take you to the settings side, which is like a shortcut, which is quite impressive. And you can go to the icon settings and you can differentiate, or you can change the icons. I like these ones, they're dope, I like it. Now go back, and you can even change the background depending on what you want to, and just like that. I think this background is dope, the black one. And yeah, it's just keep things minimal, and you can even customize the button custom in here. And another kind of stuff, yeah, it's really amazing. The settings quite not bad. So this is how the menu will look like, which it's really minimal, to be honest. I love it, it's really great. And yeah, so let's go to gaming side, and you can favorite games. Like, let me say you like Pokemon. What am I saying? Pokemon. You can favorite it. So when you go back to your favorites, you'll find your favorite games, which is really amazing. And another kind of stuff, if you want this kind of computer game from back in the days, you can play even Contra Force. Man, this is dope. So let's play it. talk about the game of the day, which is Anbernic RG35XX. I hope you enjoyed throughout this kind of game. It's a really amazing game, and to be honest, I kind of love it. The way they kept it, it's really minimal. It's easy to carry, to be honest. It's like very easy to carry. You can store your games in here, and you can even have an extra micro SD card on it, which is really insane. And another kind of stuff, the buttons feels really good. I have no any problem with that, which it's really amazing on the button side. And even at the back here, the way they kept it, man, this is like original Game Boy from Nintendo, but more advanced. It looks like 2023ish, not like the old days the way it was, but this has really great vibes, to be honest. It's really amazing, and yeah, I can't wait just to play with it, explore with it more, sharing with you guys on my IG or even the YouTube shorts. But it's really amazing game. To be honest, I really recommend for any kind of tech nerd out there who wants to grab a game, this is the game to go. What's up guys, about the Anbernic RG35XX? Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about grabbing your retro-ish gaming. To be honest, retro-ish gaming is really amazing, and to get a great and amazing retro-ish gaming in 2023, I think Anbernic captured mostly, and there's even Mio Mini. I think I'm gonna grab them and share with you guys my kind of unboxing and review and how good are they. But this one, this bad boy, I really recommend it. It's a really nice one. I love it. The display, it's really good, and it's just amazing. I'm just speechless about it. And if you like, I'll leave a link down below because I got it from AliExpress. That's what's up guys, up to on the next tech video. And another kind of stuff, I know a lot of you guys, you're not subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so as we can mash it up and explore it more. Up to on the next one guys, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. Catch you guys on the next tech video, and peace.